Hey guys, we just checked into the Venetian hotel Las Vegas and we'll give you a room tour. So ये जो आप लोग देख रहे हैं, this is the restroom, a bathtub which is common in here, shower area, basin, the full size mirror, and this is the main room. You can see right side there are two queen bed. This is pretty Venice touch. I mean the theme is totally Venice here, so the name is, you can understand, like the Venetian. So इधर जितना सारा theme है, decoration है, सब कुछ Venice जैसा है. So yeah, I don't know like why two queen bed, but oh, this is a TV unit and there is a wardrobe, sitting area, sofa, work desk. This is the view outside. Again another TV, mini bar, these all are chargeable. Also you can rate this. If I just remove this any of the item, it will be deducted from my credit card which I swiped at the check-in time. That's pretty much the room. It's really big hotel line. Hello guys, हम लोग अभी लास वेगास में हैं और ये जो देख रहे हैं आप लोग, वेलकम टू फेबुलस लास वेगास. इट्स ए फोटोशूट प्लेस, नॉट दैट मच गुड बट अच्छा है. मतलब आप फ़ोटो के लिए, मतलब लास वेगास आया तो फ़ोटो के लिए आप अभी वीडियो ले सकते हैं इधर. और उस साइड में जो दिख रहा है, एक मिनट, अभी जो आप लोग इस साइड में दिख रहा है, दिस इज़ द एयरपोर्ट. और ये जो प्लेन है, दिस लुक्स लाइक प्राइवेट जेट्स. ये बहुत ही क्राउडेड है अभी. एक बंदा है जो फ़ोटो खींच रहा है और आई मीन दे आर ऑल इन क्यू. सो ये बहुत अच्छा है कि सब क्यू मेंटेन कर रहा है फ़ोटो के लिए. And you can buy drinks here also.
me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Hello guys, it's morning around 8 o'clock. So अभी हम लोग निकल जाएंगे. We'll go to the airport now. So we'll check out this room. We have per night you have seen everything. The hotel was good. It's little old but it's too big. बहुत ही बड़ा है होटल. आप लोग फॉर एन एग्जांपल लाइक मेरा रूम से इन लोग का जो कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम है और द एंड है उधर जाने में ऑलमोस्ट आपको 1 किलोमीटर वॉक करना पड़ेगा. सो इतना बड़ा होटल है. एंड सो कमिंग टू द टेरिफ, सो आई स्पेंड $320 per night for this particular room, and there are more. There are higher end room also, and this is the view. The view is okay. Not that much, but yeah, you can see the view also. If you are coming to Las Vegas, there are many options, there are many resorts, so you can stay here. So the why you will stay here is this has some particular theme. It's Venice, so you know the Venetian, the hotel name. So it's about all the themes on Venice. They have gondola rides, they have totally theme park like a gondola which is reassembled with the Venice thing. Yeah, so that's all. Stay tuned. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Bye bye.